Hey guys, as you see here, cred resonance, lots of freebies, right? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, there's a free food offer on cred, which we have used and got this free wrap. Not only free wrap, you can have free biryani, free burger, free ice creams, and lot more. You just have to apply the voucher code, that is the free food voucher code at checkout, and claim your free food, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. It's a simple process, and do use this offer. By the way, this wrap is a chicken wrap, and it's healthy and tasty. You can have it with dips and ketchup. Now we'll see as how to get freebies on cred. Go to cred, right on the home page. You see win a gold coin. You click on claim now and tap on spin to win gold coins. Make sure that you have enough of coins to play this game. Sometimes it may ask you to pay credit card bill as well. If you're not winning gold by playing this game, you can get vouchers, and here you can get free gold by clicking on tap and win. You can play fastest fingers and win gold. You can click on coin icon and click on collect now to get free coins every day. You all know these coins help you to play any game on cred and get freebies, right? You can get back and play this daily rewards. Here you can win cash. You can click on daily rewards and tap on any sticker. Here I've got 2 rupees cashback. You can play this game daily. Twice you can play. And here free food is available on freebies and food. Once you tap on food or freebies, as shown in the video, it gives you different food items. You have biryani, you have wraps, you have burger. Here I'm clicking on wrap. You can click on claim now. It uses 20,000 coins. Now you can click on redeem now by copying the voucher code over there. Once you click on redeem now, you will be navigated to Swiggy food, and here you can choose any of the item and add to the cart as shown in the picture. Go to cart. Now you scroll down and go to view all coupons. Tap on it. Just paste the code that was previously copied on cred as shown in the video and apply. That's it, done. You will receive 200 off on your food order. You can use any online payment modes and order free food worth 200 rupees, right? Now you can get back and click on spin and win rewards as shown in the picture. You can spin the wheel by tapping on spin. Here I have received a product. This is a free product. You can also have this by playing spin and win. You have free giveaways as shown in the picture. You can tap on giveaways. Here you can get free dental services by clicking on claim now. Once you click on claim now, you do copy the voucher code and click on redeem now. You can click on book now if you want deep cleaning of your teeth, which includes tartar removal as well, which worth 1800 rupees. You can go to cart as shown in the video and go to apply coupon. Here paste the coupon code or the voucher code which was previously copied on cred. That's it, done. Here it says you can add address and pay just 99 rupees because these services are delivered home, so delivery charges include just 99 rupees. You can get back. If you want free trial products including food, you can click on free trials and choose any of the product as shown in the picture. I have chose here seeds. You can click on claim now and click on proceed to checkout. Here 50 rupees delivery charges are applicable. You can click on pay now by using any online payment modes. That's it, done. You can place your order and enjoy healthy seeds Okay, here I'll end up my video because freebies on cred are like motion. It goes on. You can check out free services, gift cards and memberships. So exciting, right? Do use this offers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.